was the Val days. How I got involved in Reconnect was a close friend of mine told me about what Reconnect is about, so I took the time to go visit Reconnect. And when I found out what Reconnect is about, it's about a big change in people's paths and life and stuff like it. So when I found out about Reconnect, I liked it. The information I heard about it, so I said I'm gonna give it a try. When I gave it a try, it turned out perfect. And we about to have a cafe running soon, and I'm real excited about when the cafe about to start open. When the cafe open, it's gonna be a big change. It's gonna be interesting for the community. They're gonna have a cafe in the neighborhood. There's no cafe in the neighborhood. Reconnect's helping me it's helped me a lot in life. It's my second year in Reconnect. Reconnect, it gave me a positive mind. It kept me out of trouble. It gave me good thoughts. It put me on the right path. I'm actually going far in Reconnect. I'm actually progressing in Reconnect. And for people out there that's interested in Reconnect, I think it's a good path. It's a good path. And I want to thank Father Jim. I want to thank Ephraim for having me at Reconnect. And I'm one of the leaders in Reconnect, and just show the youth, there's a positive way, you could do good than following the bad path. Yeah, thank you.